دول، يا أهل العرب، يا عرب، يا كل الدول النايمة، يا الخلايا النايمة، اصحوا حالكم. نحن عنا الله، كل يوم والتاني عم يروح لنا عائلات وطائفات، عنا الله، وهذا انشروها، اما بروح بسكن انشروها كل الدول، كل يوم عم يروحوا شهداء، لك اطفال، نحن ارهابيين نحن؟
عيد بنسألكم ليش ما في عنا عياد ولذيني يا عالم أرضي محروقة أرضي هجري مسروقة سمعنا عم تحلم عم تسأل الأيام أرض صغيرة مثل صغيرة أعطونا السلام وأعطونا الطفولة أعطونا الطفولة أعطونا الطفولة أعطونا السلام. احنا أطفال غزة نطلب الأمان، احنا أطفال غزة بنطلب الأمان. أطفال الناس تصحى على صوت العصافير، إلا نحن نصحى على صوت القصف.
I'm recording this video because I want to talk about what's happening in Gaza. 20 minutes ago, my neighbor's house was bombed. I couldn't reach my family for 20-30 minutes. I didn't know if they were dead, if they were alive. The house is, all my neighborhood is demolished. And I couldn't reach my dad or my brother. Luckily, I'm with my mom. They haven't been okay lately, and I'm not in Palestine. And I really thought this summer would be the only summer I would go and see my family. It's been 5 years. And now, so many people are getting killed. My family, my friends, people I know, people I grew up with. I feel so hopeless. I don't know what to do. Except record this video to expose Israeli bombing did not stop overnight. For the past 3 days it did not stop. Gaza is being removed off the map. They now are bombing everywhere and everything and randomly. They didn't even record. I couldn't reach my dad. Till now I can't talk to him. They're bombing without even a warning. Before they used to send a rocket, a smaller rocket, so people can evacuate the building, but now they're not. So I literally am calling anyone I know in my camp and trying to know if my family's alive. Imagine being in this situation in 2021. Imagine not knowing if you can't see your family ever again. This is fascism. This is not just illegal. I don't know. I can never
anything to them, and now they are killing us. We can't even kill you. You hear me, occupiers? We can't even kill you. We're just kids and parents who doesn't have no intention of doing anything. Nothing.
What is your message to the international community?
You guys, who?
To the international community, your message.
What's your message for the internet?
من وين مطلعهم؟ يعني هدول ضلهم هيك مناح؟ انت كنت جوا الدار؟ وين كنت انت؟ مين هان القصص؟ طب ليش بتعيط؟ مش مشكلة بتعوض. بعين الله. يعني هاي دموع حقيقية يا جماعة.